When I was first diagnosed with PBC, I think I would advise myself, going back in time, to talk even more to my GP, to listen to him, to go down the journey together, and to always keep asking questions. So you're going to tell them your symptoms, how you feel, and you're going to ask the question, well, what are my blood results? What were they last time? What does that mean? Need to go with a written list of questions. Your doctor needs to see you with that list, and that includes absolutely everything that you're feeling and suffering from. And also take somebody with you. And if they haven't listened to all your questions, I've done this before, hand your piece of paper over and leave it with them.